friends, Jessica here from Creators Couture, and in today's very brief video, I am just here to preview a new set of Zodiac icon stamp brushes that I just created for Photoshop. And for right now, they are available exclusive for my Patreon members, but I will have them for sale later. And some of you guys that follow my work might be a little bit familiar with these brushes, these icons, because I actually created these for a set of illustrations that I did. And I created these Zodiac illustrations using birthstone and icon, like the horoscope signs. So I made a really cool set of illustrations, and I thought it was really fun. I got to use my gold. I got to use the crystals that I had illustrated before. And I made all 12 of the Zodiac signs. And if you look closely, you can see that I use these icons in the earrings here and also like in the crown. And let me just give you a little peek here. This was a little blog post I had shared about it, but I have all the different signs, and I changed the earrings and the icons for all of those different Zodiac signs. So it was a really fun project, and I spent quite a bit of time to make these really cool icons for the different signs. And I didn't it's kind of hard to find some good ones. So what I did, in fact, was just create my own set of icons that would look nice in my design. But then I realized that this might be something that other designers who are wanting to do Zodiac inspired artwork might benefit from, because I've been on a little tangent lately. I've been having a lot of fun with like esoteric, mystical, Zodiac kind of stuff. So basically you've got the 12 different signs here, and these are kind of classic stamp icon brushes. So we've got Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, and so far, all the way down to Sagittarius, which is mine. And to use them, to load them up, just in case you're unfamiliar, just go to Window Brushes, top right corner, Import Brushes, and then you can just use your regular brush and just stamp them in your design. And then, of course, you can, transform them, make them smaller, change the angle to suit your design. And they're a pretty good size, all of them. So I think that they'll be very multi-purpose and very useful, especially if you want to make a series of Zodiac stuff. So go ahead and get your download. I'll link them down below, and then keep an eye out, because hopefully I'll have time to be able to add them to my site if you want to buy just these. So if you have any questions, just let me know down below in the comments, and stay tuned for more Photoshop brush goodies and tutorials and all that kind of good stuff. And be sure that you're signed up for my newsletter to see my latest tutorials, and I always give freebies and all that kind of good stuff. All right,